I think the Symmetrix D100 is an interesting example of that because it's essentially a computer-based version of the previous Symmetrix DSP. There've been some, Shure did this with the IntelliMix DSP for a while as well. I think you can also point to people like QSC where actually it literally is a Linux box, but they do tend to bundle a lot of like analog I/O and control functions into the one, vertically integrated manufacturer specific kind of solution. So I would argue this is happening, like it's a trend that's happening in the industry. Manufacturers can roll their own networking technologies. So QSC has QLAN, Crestron has their own networking, the NBX bit. So manufacturers can roll their own, but really in the end, I think Audinate is as a company in the industry, we're uniquely lined up with, that group of end users who would really like to have, different brands, mix and match, and be able to have interoperability in the way that you get interoperability in the IT world.